Hello, so this is going to be a short and simple upload today. We're just going to learn how to make a planet just like this, and it's really simple, really. So let's go back to the gallery and add a square canvas or whatever canvas you want. So first you will want to pick out your palette. I'm gonna choose Ascend, and I'm gonna choose the blue all the way to the pinkish area right there. So first we're gonna make a circle with the monoline brush. Hold it, and with 2 fingers, don't worry if it's not straight, you can just adjust it, and there you go. You would want to change the background colors to see the effect, and then just drag and drop this in. You can just name this planet or whatever. I like naming my layers. And then now is the fun part. It's the texture of the planet. So you know how there's a PNG of Jupiter, and it has like that texture, the planet texture in it. So for example, I'm gonna drag this in. That's the same color as the planet, by the way. I'm gonna move up 1 color, change my brush to, I guess you could go to Sawtooth or Blackwood, either works. As you can see, that doesn't blend in very well. So experiment with different colors, whatever you like for your planet. And as you can see, it's all coming together. So it kind of looks like a planet texture, but not yet. So just move up a color, see what you want, change different sizes. Like this, and then maybe pink, but don't actually you can change the brush as you go, so, and then lower the opacity if you want to. Then example, if you wanted green, you can just put this in. So I'm gonna use Sawtooth again, Blackwood, and we can use this sort of texture to go along. Go ahead, make another layer, and just fill it in with green or whatever color you like. And that is basically your texture. So if I pin that down, we have our texture. So the fun part is designing the texture, I guess, if you want to call it that. So go to adjustments and go to liquify. You can twirl right. You can adjust how much it twirls. There's the pressure, distortion, momentum. So you would want to, I guess, twirl right, twirl left to give it some balance. Kind of like that. You can pinch it, etc., etc. My favorite one is the crystal one. It just gives it that planet texture feel. Then try to twirl right, twirl left or something. Just mix and match and do whatever you want with your texture, and that's an example that's the texture that I want to do. So now what you want to do is clip this to the planet, and as you can see, this already looks like a planet, but not really. It's missing that atmospheric look. So what you want to do is duplicate that layer and then go to adjustments. Go to Gaussian blur, I think. And as you can see, that pops up. And as you can see, I put too much of the texture, so it's now doing too much. Okay. I put too much on the texture layer that it's kind of like spilling over the place, if you can call it that. And then what you want to do, if you want to duplicate this, go ahead. And here is your planet. And if you want to remove any excess, you can just erase No, you can't erase it. It's going to ruin the whole thing. So all you could do is just change the opacity. So change this one to 30 maybe, and then here is 10. If you think that the atmospheric look is too much, you can just delete one layer. It'll work the same. So that's how you make a planet, and so you can do whatever you want with it. You can put it down, make a design with it, whatever you want. And this would be my thumbnail for the video. So here it is. Here's your new planet, and congrats on making it. Hope this video helped you, and if it did, please consider leaving a like and a subscribe. That'll help my channel so much.